Oké, nou we zijn in ieder geval veilig aanbeland in de regio Kharkov. Kharkiv moet ik eigenlijk zeggen, daar waren we 4 jaar geleden ook. Heel interessant. Eigenlijk allemaal Russisch sprekende mensen. En ik praat ook met hen over hoe zij alles vinden hier. Maar we gaan straks door met die interviews. We gaan eerst even een rondje lopen. Even kijken wat de sfeer hier is. Anders. Relax, we maken een goede barbecue. Dit is André.
Max.
Alex.
Yeah.
Max. Max. This is the translator.
The translator.
Translator.
Yes.
Привет с Украины.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Кулеш.
Na Kulier.
How's life in Kharkov?
Life in Kharkov is better than in some other states in Ukraine,
Yeah, small interview. Yeah.
but
We came to promote Ukraine.
Короче,
Харьков это наша жизнь.
but
Мы
better
там
than
выросли, и другого города
better
лучше
than we
нету,
could
чем Харьков.
imagine.
Yes. Okay.
все
Because
рассказывают
ago.
все, что
Come here for a
знают
second.
просто.
Because I was asking
London
you
is the
a
capital of
question
Great
because
Britain.
a lot of Dutch
is
people
the
think
slave
that Russian-speaking Ukrainians is pro-Russia
Давай
and
верну, да?
Western Ukrainian is pro-Europe. But I know and you know that this is not true. Can you explain
Not
something
true.
about
Yes,
this?
I already said it, but the situation is so difficult because nobody looks to the east because we thought we have friends in the east, but now we know that we have enemies in the east. That's why we don't look to the east anymore, and we look to the west. But I don't know. It's your decision, but
Yeah.
about are we ready for the west, or is the west ready for the Ukraine?
What do you think? Is it possible to stay in between, independent, or is it a choice between?
It would be
the
good
west
to
or
be independent, but I think so that nobody can do it for us to let us to be independent. That's why we have to choose, and the choice will be, I think, in your side.
And but are you afraid that if Ukraine is choosing for the West, now we're in East Ukraine, and that Russia will invade Kharkov? Are you afraid of this? Or is it a possibility?
I cannot look inside inside the brain of Putin. I hope so. The Ukrainian people, the Ukrainian government, the European government, USA government will not let him do it.
Exactly.
Because we can we can see what is the exit from the foreign Soviet Union in Donetsk and Lugansk. We can see it. Nobody can choose that way.
Yeah, but
Because what we can see, what is in Donetsk and Lugansk area, it's just war.
yeah.
It's like Afghanistan, like I don't know, like in Moldova, Приднестровье.
Yeah, exactly. But
It's not a way of I don't know. It's not a decision. Decision is to speak with one another, but not to fight with one
because
another.
the big discussion is in I think in West, not my discussion, but it's like but if we associate with Ukraine, and then Putin is making
He'll be
trouble.
against, of course.
Yeah, but he will be anyway, I guess.
But you know, every man will die with the time. All the world, I don't know, all the world shall not look at Putin. All the world shall look at world problems, not